Hello guys, in this video I will take you through my workflow to model this beautiful modular furniture. I saw the idea on Pinterest and I thought it would be nice to recreate it. Today's video is extra special because we have our first ever collaborator in the house, the awesome folks at Show. If you are on the lookout for fresh gigs, check out their website. They do offer worldwide shipping. I've personally checked it out and I found some amazing options that are waiting to be discovered. Placing an order is a great way to support the growth of my channel and it motivates me to create quality content. I appreciate your support. I added an image reference to assist me with the top table. To create smooth edges on both sides of the plane, I had to bevel. Now I drag the legs from each side of the plane. Then I separate the leg from the top part of the table. Add solidify modifier to separate the parts. Adjust the legs in edit a little bit, then add a slight bevel at the leg stand. Add supporting edge loops, a bevel modifier, Now that I'm partially done with the table, then start with the stool by adding a circle and extrude it out. Paying close attention to my reference, I realized that the stool has these little stands as well, not very noticeable but visible enough. I added the stand by stealing a face from the face of the noun closed circle. Then I added a mirror modifier and duplicated them in with Alt D to have all four of the stands equally distributed. I steal again from the edges this time, then extrude on the Z-axis to make the base of the stool. Now I add more edge loops to then use them for creating the side bump of the stool by extruding along faces. Create some seam. Make the bump edges smooth. At this point, I'm pretty much done with the stool. Now all I'm doing is adding more edges to make it look a bit puffy. Make a face at the top of the stool, then create a small dent for the bottom tin. Use a sphere for the bottom pin. Just keep editing till it looks better. I even added a displace modifier to the stool to make it look imperfect and irregular. More editing of the stool, just to make it look better, not to be a perfectionist. Finally, now it's time for UV editing and texturing. The textures I got from Ambient Textures, one of my favorite websites to download textures. Slap the textures, more UV, scale and rotate the textures. Hooray! We have a table, stool, modular furniture thing. Now this brings us to the end of the video. Please do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace.